Welcome everyone to this special MCQ series on UGC NET English Literature. This series is designed strictly according to the official UGC syllabus, with high-level, PYQ-based, and concept-trap questions that help you think like a NET examiner. Here, we don't just revise literature, we decode it, challenge it, and master it. First question. Which of the following was published earliest? A. Dr. Faustus, B. Hamlet, C. The Spanish Tragedy, D. Volpone. The right answer is option C. The Spanish Tragedy. It was written by Thomas Cade around 1587. It predates Shakespeare's Hamlet. It shaped the revenge tragedy tradition. Next question. Which novel appeared first in the 18th century? A. Pamela, B. Robinson Crusoe, C. Tom Jones, D. Tristram Shandy. The right answer is option B. Robinson Crusoe. It was published in 1719. It is often called the first English novel. It reflects early capitalist individualism. Next question. Which Victorian novel was published first? A. Jane Eyre, B. Wuthering Heights, C. Great Expectations, D. Middlemarch. The right answer is option A. Jane Eyre. It was published in early 1847. Wuthering Heights appeared later that year. It marks early Victorian realism. Next question. Which modernist text was published in 1922? A. The Waste Land, B. Mrs. Dalloway, C. The Sound and the Fury, D. To the Lighthouse. The right answer is option A. The Waste Land. 1922 is called the Annus Mirabilis of modernism. The poem reflects post-war fragmentation. It revolutionized poetic structure. Next question. Which of the following came first? A. Paradise Lost, B. The Fairy Queen, C. The Duchess of Malfi, D. The Way of the World. The right answer is option B. The Fairy Queen. It was first published in 1590. It predates Jacobean and Restoration works. It represents Elizabethan allegory. Next question. Which 20th century novel appeared first? A. A Portrait of the Artist as a Young Man, B. The Great Gatsby, C. Brave New World, D. 1984. The right answer is option A. A Portrait of the Artist as a Young Man. It was published in 1916. It precedes high modernist masterpieces. It develops stream of consciousness technique. Next question. Which of the following Renaissance works was published earliest? A. The Prince, B. Utopia, C. Essays, D. The Defense of Poesy. The right answer is option B. Utopia. It was published in 1516 in Latin. It predates Machiavelli's The Prince. It marks early humanist political thought. Next question. Which Restoration text was published earliest? A. Absalom and Achitophel, B. The Country Wife, C. The Way of the World, D. Mac Flecknoe. The right answer is option B. The Country Wife. It was staged in 1675. Dryden's satire followed later. Congreve's comedy appeared in 1700. Next question. The concept of the mirror stage was introduced by which psychoanalytic thinker? A. Sigmund Freud, B. Carl Jung, C. Jacques Lacan, D. Melanie Klein. The right answer is option C. Jacques Lacan. It describes infant self-recognition. Identity forms through misrecognition. Language structures the unconscious. Next question. The term, interpolation, is central to which Marxist thinker? A. Karl Marx, B. Georg Lukács, C. Louis Althusser, D. Antonio Gramsci. The right answer is option C. Louis Althusser. It refers to ideological subject formation. Individuals are hailed by ideology. It explains social conditioning. Next question. The term, metalepsis, in narratology refers to what phenomenon? A. Flashback narration, B. Intrusion of narrator into plot world, C. Crossing of narrative levels, D. Stream of consciousness technique. The right answer is option C. Crossing of narrative levels. Metalepsis involves violation between narrative frames. A narrator may enter the fictional world. The concept is central to postmodern fiction. Next question. Fabula and sujet are key terms in which school of criticism? A. New criticism, B. Russian formalism, C. Frankfurt School, D. Structural anthropology. The right answer is option B. Russian formalism. Fabula refers to raw story events. Sujet refers to plot arrangement. The distinction highlights narrative construction. Next question. Aporia, in deconstructive criticism signifies what? A. Clear moral resolution, B. Rhetorical closure, C. Logical impasse within a text, D. Narrative climax. The right answer is option C. Logical impasse within a text. Aporia reveals contradiction. Texts undermine their own arguments. It exposes instability of meaning. Next question. Thick description is a term popularized by which anthropologist? A. Clifford Geertz, B. Claude Lévi-Strauss, C. Edward Said, D. Raymond Williams. The right answer is option A. Clifford Geertz. It interprets cultural symbols deeply. Meaning depends on context. New historicism adopted this approach. Next question. The implied author concept was proposed by which narratologist? A. Gerard Genette, B. Wayne Seaboot, C. Seymour Chapman, D. Jwaton Todorov. The right answer is option B. Wayne Seaboot. He introduced it in the rhetoric of fiction. The implied author differs from real author. It represents textual moral presence. Next question. The panopticon model is central to which theoretical framework? A. Structuralism, B. Psychoanalysis, C. Foucaultian theory, D. Reader response theory. The right answer is option C. Foucaultian theory. It originates from Bentham's prison model. Foucault uses it to explain surveillance. Modern society internalizes discipline. Next question. The term simulacra is most closely linked with which theorist? A. Jean Baudrillard, B. Michel Foucault, C. Roland Barthes, D. Frederick Jameson. The right answer is option A. Jean Baudrillard. Simulacra are copies without originals. Reality is replaced by hyper-reality. It defines postmodern culture. Next question. The narratological term focalization was developed by which theorist? A. Gerard Genette, B. Roland Barthes, C. Umberto Eco, D. Roman Jakobson. The right answer is option A. Gerard Genette. It distinguishes who sees from who speaks. Internal and external focalization exist. It refines point of view analysis.